Good evening. My name is Professor Moon, or as I'm sometimes known as, Professor Piano. Today, we will be reviewing the Yamaha P23. This is an entry-level piano keyboard instrumenti, which could be very good for a young child looking to start out with the piano. It may also be good for even a mid-range hobbyist who would like a keyboard to do some experimentation musical artistry with. As you know, the very first thing to do when a new piano arrives at your doorstep is to try the C key. This is the best way to understand the kind of sound we will be dealing with. So I'm going to try the C key as my first part of this review video. Observe.
Professor.
Did that come?
Professor.
That is most irregular. It appears there is a glitch with the C key. I may move to trying the D key. We will see if that provides the correct sound. Oh my word. I will try a range of keys, but this definitely dampens my opinion on this Yamaha model, I must say.
You will be nothing.
In conclusion, I would absolutely recommend the Yamaha P23 keyboard model. A great choice for beginners. Buy it soon. It may just change your life.